So, what is the significance of the Great Awakening within the context of the 1730s and 40s? Okay, the Great Awakening represents a questioning of authority. These new religious leaders, like Jonathan Edwards, they're called New Lights. Okay, New Lights. They question the teachings of the old religious authority. One of the things that they question is that teaching of predestination and urging people to undergo a conversion experience. So he preaches that people are by nature sinful, must undergo a conversion experience, or they're going to spend eternity in hell. And this may seem like something that's kind of common to you in modern preaching, but it was not an element of preaching in Puritan communities. So, this Great Awakening teaches the power of the individual to change his or her eternal position. So, individualism, your power to change your future. And it also encourages the questioning of authority. And those are things that we see in the American Revolution. Another idea here is all people, like equality, is an aspect of the Great Awakening. Everyone can obtain eternal salvation. African Americans, Native Americans, women, they're all a part of this religious revival movement. So these ideas of equality are also significant. So, questioning of authority, stressing the importance of the individual, those are very much revolutionary ideas. Okay.